Hello everyone, this is Afra from Quick WordPress Websites. In this video, we will see how to buy a cheapest .co domain for your company or corporation. Also add the name servers of the hosting provider. First, we'll go to tldes.com to search .co domain. So click .co and you can see there are 120 domains providers are there. So the first one, sav.com, is the cheapest. The new domain price is 1.95 and renewal is around 20. So other hosting provider domain providers also providing the similar price for the renewal. So let's click the plus icon. It shows who is privacy is free of charge. Also I can aggregate. So this is a good solution for the .cov, that is company domain name. So once you open the sav.com, you can see that .co domain prices, register price 1.95 and the renewal and transfer and other costs. So let's go to the home page of sav.com, and here I want to purchase a domain name called zekstore.co. So I am searching that domain. So you can see the domain is available for the price of 1.95. Also they are providing .boutique domain free of charge with this domain name. Let's add this domain to cart and open it. So you can see the purchase domain is here. Before paying, you have to create your account and login. So I'll create my account. So I agree the agreement and create it. Then you will receive a verification email. So just click the email and verify your account. So now the account is verified. Now again click the cart and it will open for the payment. So there are direct credit card payment and the PayPal payment. So I prefer the payment with PayPal. So I am paying with that. Once the payment process is done, you will receive another email message, that is action required to verify your domain with whois verification. So click that link to get verified. So once you click, you will get the verification as contact verified. Click your purchased domain name and it will bring you to the domain details, DNS and forwarding and name server details. So let's see how to edit the name server details. Here you can see the default name servers as ns1sav.com and ns2sav.com. So to change that, I am going to my hosting provider, that is interserver.net. Log into the hosting provider and click web hosting. So this process is similar to the GoDaddy, Hostinger and other hosting providers. So here I am copying the name server details of my hosting provider and replace it with the domain provider. So I copy paste the first one. Again I am copy paste the second name server details. So this is from my hosting provider. So I am changing with the domain provider. So now the name server change is done. So click update. Once it done, it will say it will take around 24 to 48 hours, but normally within 10 minutes it will be changed. Next step, to add your domain name to the hosting provider. So copy the domain name you have just purchased and go to your cPanel or the direct admin. So if you use GoDaddy, you will go to the cPanel. So in the Interserver, it's direct admin, it is free of charge. So here you have to go to the domain setup, click add new, paste the domain name, and if SSL is provided, you can check that one and create. So once you done this step, next you have to install the SSL certificate and also you can install the WordPress. So our older video we have explained those details clearly, so please click the description to see the SSL certificate installation and the WordPress installation.